y equals 3x minus 5, we can write as f of x equals 3x minus 5. And this is what you saw yesterday on your sheet. So I just copied that sheet from the textbook, right, and that's what they're saying. So what f of x means, now we're going to say f is the function, f of x is the value of the function at x, not f times x. This is going to be written as now don't get all scared, it looks scary, okay, it's not. Okay, all they're saying is if you plug a value into the function, that value is going to be x, what are we getting out? That's all we're saying. Okay, so if I were to say, sorry, give me a second to scribble, I'm too excited. By the way, did anyone lose a ruler yesterday or last week? I found this on my desk. No? All right. So basically, f of 3, it means the y value when x equals 3. That's all it means. Okay. So what it means, another way to put it, is sub 3 in the equation and see what you get. So basically, it's just another way of name for y. That's all f of x is. Just another way, another name for y. So it's even off. Another name for y. Okay, so let's find f of 3. So we're going to say if f of x equals 3x minus 5. I'm going to find what f of 3 is. Now, don't be afraid. You've done table of values. It's just like a table of value. Back to grade 9 and 10. Jennifer, since you're still a Spider-Man, can you find f of 3, please? What does that mean?
Oh, you just put 3 into the x.
Good. So it's going to change. The x on the right is going to change into whatever the x is on the left. This one becomes 3 minus 5. So treat that just like a table of values, right? Remember we did like the charts, right? The different x values change and the y values change correspondingly. All right, Grace, can you tell me what 3 times 3 is? Good. And 9 minus 5 is? 4. Good. So f of 3 happens to equal 4. That's all we're saying. So the best way to think f of x is just like the y values, but only for a function. Okay, so if you plug 3 into this function, you're only always going to get a 4. That's all that's saying to you. Okay. Questions and comments and fears on that? Okay. Next up. Example 1. We're going to say if f of x okay, so it says if f of x equal to 3 bracket x minus 2 squared minus 1. This will work for anything that's a function. Okay, right? So it has to be something that is one input for each input, then you can write it in the form of f of x form. F of negative 2. Take a brave soul to tell me what does f of negative 2 means. Yeah, go ahead.
What is y when x equals
Very good, okay. So all we're going to do here then is you're just going to sub in everywhere you see a negative 2 into your equation. So f of negative 2 is going to be 3 bracket Negative 2 minus 2. Squared minus 1. So just think of it like we're doing like a table of values. That's all we're doing is just direct substitution. Okay, Adam, what's negative 2 minus 2, please? Negative 4. Good. Riley, what's negative 4 squared, please? 16. Chantel, should I ask or not say? I'll ask for Chantel. Michelle, 3 times 16, that's 48. Which is 47. So f of negative 2 is 47. Now, functions are much more powerful than just doing direct substitution. Okay? And I'm going to give you guys a slight one that's a little bit more awesome. Okay? You're going to deal with a lot of this stuff. Definitely advanced functions and totally in calculus and everything beyond that too. Okay? So I want you to try for do this question for me right now. We're still going to use the same equation. And I want you to do f of 5 minus f of 3. So the way that's going to be is, remember, f of 5 is going to be the y value in x is minus 3. Sorry. The y value in x equals 5, and f of 3 is going to be the y value in x is 3. So what I want you to do is to do 2 separate calculations. Find out what this is, then find out what that is, and subtract them. Okay. Hit pause, do it. It's like tables of values, grade 9. You could do it. It says f of x, so it looks scary. Okay, take a second in your life and try it, please. Oops.